What's the meaning of childminder? Childminder. Childminder.
Childminder. Childminder. A childminder is a person who looks after children in their own home or in the children's homes. They typically provide childcare services for parents who are unable to take care of their children during the day or evening due to work or other commitments. A childminder may provide a variety of activities for children, including playtime, educational programs, and meals. They usually have training and experience in childcare and may be licensed or registered with local authorities. Childminders provide valuable support to families by offering safe, nurturing care for children outside of school hours.